What you girls doing? Huh? What you doing? What you doing? You both cold?
You can tell Molly's cold. She loves that.
She's like, it's hella cold out here. Let's go. Stop playing with me. Oh my mercy. Look at all this. All this snow and it's not stopping. It's really thick. And you're up to your elbows, baby. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll let you do your business. Holy mercy. One thing I need to do is get the snow off the shed. Maybe I should do that from the inside. Alright. That should be good for now. Holy mercy. This is deep. Ooh. Goodness gracious. We can make snow art. Wow, look at all that on the roof. Outrageous. Alright. Yeah, it's let's go here. At least right there it's a few inches. Not bad. Oh mercy. It's hard to tell, but Zella's been messing with that, but look at that. Almost the size of my hand. Gutters are full. What you think? Pretty crazy, huh? Woo, we're gonna need a shovel for that, though. Look at you. It's up to your boots. Here, stand right there. See how deep it is right there, yeah? Wow. Whew. Mercy. Wow. It's the most snow we've had in many, many years. Very cold. I hope y'all are enjoying this winter weather. If you got it, hopefully you're safe. I'm about to go inside. I got about 1.5 feet. Whoa, a shovel came out of nowhere. Right in front of the van. But I'm gonna go inside and warm up. My hands are freezing. Hey, good morning, everyone. The morning after. June's already been out before I was even awake, sweeping off the stairs, getting everything going. Yesterday at about 3 o'clock, I had cleaned off the trash cans. As you can see, there's another 4 inches on there, but about 3 o'clock, it was about 7 to 8 inches. We've got another couple after that, so right now we're sitting at about 10 to 11. It did stop snowing, bright sunny out, so one thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just drop my gloves in the snow. One thing I'm going to do is sweep off the vehicles so that if we need to get out, we can. Here is what the vehicle now covered. I think she got her car, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, she did. Okay. Yeah. So, idea is sweep off the truck so that when it does melt, it doesn't turn into ice. But as you can see, it is covered. Alright, let me get at it.
I know. I pushed all the snow towards your truck when I was doing my van. Sorry. Yeah, 10 inches is a good amount of snow. Oh yeah. Yeah, and it's not stuck to the cars yet either, so that makes it easier.
That's what I'm trying. I want to get it off the car so that it doesn't.
Yeah, it doesn't melt and stick.
As soon as it melts, it's turning to ice. And if all this becomes ice, what's going on?
Yeah.
I didn't bag or lift my windshield wipers this time around.
I did mine.
Thankfully, it's just snow, so I'm not too worried about it. Because you were getting snow all up in your boots.
It's okay. I'm wearing layers. Oh, look at those drifts over there.
You know what those are?
From all the logs.
Those are the logs. Yeah. So, this is the Donna got me
Years ago.
years ago. I've only used it maybe once or twice, but it is perfect for this. That's my red coat that I normally wear. It's inside my truck. Maybe should look for me. It's inside the truck here.
If you got a scrub brush, you could clean your truck while you're at it.
I was going to on Friday, taking through the wash, but I figured they're salting the roads anyway. There really wasn't much point.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so comfortable, man. It's comfortable.
The wind's picking up now. It wasn't this windy first thing in the morning.
But you can see the good layer. I mean, that's at least a couple inches on there.
Yeah. When I measured on my van, it was 10.
Throw it in front of it. I should probably push it to the side so I can get out if I need to.
Yeah. Should be wise.
I'm learning. We haven't had to do this ever. The snow we do get don't stick.
Or it melts the next day when it's 70 degrees out. Because normally we get snow, then 70, snow, then 70. This week has actually just been all cold.
If I was smart, I would flip the truck on and let the sun be on the window. What we'll do.
They're stuck. Sorry, I wasn't tall enough to reach yours when I got home the other night. Your truck's really tall, and I'm really short. I know. What's up? Mid-calf over here.
What?
I said it's up to mid-calf over here.
It's not super heavy, but this bed liner is not meant to hold weight. It's probably best on here. Where the old truck had the solid camper
Yeah.
on the back, it used to lap over. I love that one. This one I'm not feeling. The only downside is you couldn't really get in that one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think you're going to have better luck pushing instead of trying to... Yeah. It's kind of how I did the top of my van is I just pushed it all off the edge.
Over my boot.
Drifted up real high over by the fences here too, in the house.
We gotta get out from the gate if we have to. Just jump around.
Yeah. Everything looks so pretty and untouched over here. Winter Wonderland.